Hey crafters, HALLU, how are you doing? That was weird. How is everyone doing today? Good, thank you so much. I'm great, thank you for asking. So today this is something fun that was suggested by my work friend Mackenzie. Love you, Mackenzie, miss you, see you on Monday. So she suggested bedazzling AirPods. Now I love AirPods, wear them everywhere, huge fan. Maybe I'll just, sorry, what was that? Oh, okay, sorry. Oh, okay, got it. Thank you. So love AirPods, love them to death. I'm just going to quickly be sticking these stickable gems from Dollarama. Don't know what they're called. Now, if you don't have these in your house, you might, but you can find them at Dollarama.
Jake, no, leave it.
Fuck's sakes. Bitch, did you hang up?
Died.
Oh, okay. I'm FaceTime my friend Sears.
Hold on, I am gonna shower though. I'm gonna call you back.
Okay, I'm just finishing up filming. Love him. I'm just going to start. So I'm just going to take off my, don't really have a plan for this, just gonna dive on in.
Dive on in.
Just wanna make sure it's lined up there. And then just take the scissors and cut it. If you have in there. That's my first row. Look at that. Come through pride, gay pride.
Gay pride.
Oh. Okay, I have to take those ones off on the back because it doesn't open properly, but that's okay. Keep going so that they meet there, like so. Wow, that's fun. Okay, we're getting into the nitty-gritty areas. If you can't make yourself laugh, what's the point, really? You know? Oh, fuck. You probably wouldn't understand unless you had AirPods. Sorry.
Sorry.
Oh god, I'm joking, relax. These were a gift from myself because I have a job.
I'm not gonna feel bad about owning these. I worked hard for them.
Wow. That is stunning. It's like, oh, Daniel, that looks so stupid. Like, I know. Congratulations. Ugh, I really didn't want to have to do this, but no. It fits. Oh. Now just squeeze all around it. I feel like I'm performing surgery on these little guys. It's okay, buddy. Ow, my nail. I'm a genius. Are you ready?
Dun, 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 dun.
My bedazzled AirPods. Now, you might see through the green ones because of the green screen. So, wow, we love that. We really do. These will probably fall off, but it's gonna be fun for the meantime. Hopefully I don't get hate crimed on the train to work, but these are amazing. Love these for myself. Yeah, tag me in your own AirPods bedazzling and let me know how this turns out for you. Okay. Thank you so much for joining me this week. We'll see you next time on Crafting with Daniel.